Hello, welcome back to my channel. So good to have you back and thank you for joining me once again. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you one simple treatment that you can use to revive your hair. The dry hair is not something anybody wants to have, because when you have a dry hair, you're actually going to be battling with a lot of things such as hair fall, and your hair will not be looking shiny and healthy or healthier the way you would love it to be. When people talk to me about having dry hair, I usually give part of the blame to them, because they're actually not doing enough when it comes to maintaining a healthy hair. You know, when it comes to the natural hair, especially the African hair, it actually survives on moisture. So by the time you don't give your hair the right moisture, the right creams and the right oils, your hair will actually be dry. Let's just compare it to a situation whereby you have a farm or a garden and you don't feed them. You'll notice how they are going to look. Okay, so if you're actually looking for a channel where you benefit a lot of natural hair care, you are in the right place. All you need to do is just to click the subscribe button, and the bell that is just right beside it. That's where you always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, please drop them in the comment section down below. Do not forget to share your private hair questions with me on my Instagram. Okay, do not forget to like this video as well and share it with your friends. And if you want to know how you could actually treat dry damaged hair at home, then keep watching this video. Okay, like this, we'll be needing one ripe banana. We'll be needing one ripe banana. You know, the banana is actually very good. It's a good source of protein, vitamins and biotin, magnesium. All this will keep your hair soft and damage free. It will also prevent breakage and split ends. It maintains a natural elasticity of your hair. It will also strengthen and gives your hair a good volume. Next thing you should consider adding is the avocado. Avocado is actually very rich in fatty and amino acids that will help your hair, and it will also help with moisture to your hair. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin D and vitamin E. All this will help nourish your hair scalp. The high content of vitamin E will help prevent hair damage and free from radicals, and will help promote a healthier hair. Next on the list is the aloe vera plant. In this case, if you don't have the aloe vera plant, please feel free to use the aloe vera juice or even the aloe vera gel. It will also give you the same results. But if you are staying in Abuja and you need to get this aloe vera plant, please kindly let me know in the comment section so I can direct you on where to get the aloe vera plant. You know, the aloe vera is actually very good when it comes to maintaining healthy hair, because it's very good in boosting hair growth due to the high content of moisture which the African hair actually needs to grow. Aloe vera also contains vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C. It also has good amounts of folic acid, amino acid. All this will help with your hair growth by strengthening and repair damaged hair strands and stimulating blood circulation to your scalp. Next thing I'm going to use is actually the rose water. Rose water is actually very good for the hair because it replenishes lost moisture and makes your hair manageable, smoother and shinier and healthier. Applying rose water to your hair will also reduce dandruff, which actually causes a dry hair. Next thing you should consider adding is the glycerin. Glycerin is actually a natural humectant. This actually means that it attracts and retains moisture to your hair. Next thing I'm going to be adding is just the coconut oil. Please feel free to use any oil of your choice, as long as it will help moisturize your hair at the same time. Anytime I'm making hair treatment, I usually go in with my favorite oil, which is actually the coconut oil. If you have not made up your mind about coconut oil, maybe you should consider adding it as one of your hair care regimens. Okay, After doing that, I'm going to cut it in tiny pieces into my blender cup. I hope you can see this. Okay, after that is done, I'm going to cut my avocado. Yeah, oh my god, can see. So I'm going to be using the better part of this avocado. Empty everything into my blender cup. Next thing I'm going to add is the aloe vera. So I'm just going to cut this. This will definitely be enough, but depending on how dry your hair is, you could actually increase everything. Okay, so I'm going to be taking, I need only the gel of the aloe vera. Don't worry, I won't cut myself. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, so yeah, add that to your blender cup. Add my rose water. If you don't have the rose water, please feel free to use any water of your choice. This is okay. Then I'm going to blend everything together. After blending everything together, then we're going to mix the rest of the ingredients, okay? Hello, so after blending everything together, this is what you will have. You could see how thick, creamy this actually looks. So this will actually help with your hair, that dry hair that you are having. So the next thing we're gonna go in with will be the glycerin. I already told you, I think I've told you what the glycerin does, okay? So you're just going to add 1 teaspoon of the glycerin. If you don't have this, you could actually use your honey. It's actually very good as well. The next thing I'm going to be adding is the coconut oil. This one I'll be adding, yeah, okay, 1.5 tablespoon of the coconut oil. So after mixing everything together, then you're going to apply this on your hair. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video up till this point, and I hope the tutorial was very helpful. Believe me, if you use this thing consistently, you will notice that your hair will really bounce back to life, because all those ingredients are actually very helpful to the natural hair. Okay, so what you're going to do before you apply this on your hair, you really need to, oh sorry, I ate something, okay, sorry. So you really need to wash your hair with a shampoo, okay? You can wash your hair with any shampoo of your choice. After washing your hair, then you section your hair into manageable sizes. That will depend on the length of your hair, okay? If your hair is super low, you don't necessarily need to do that, okay? So you just apply this from your root to the tip of your hair, okay? And make sure it goes round. After doing that, you need to tie a grocery bag or a waterproof for like 30 to 1 hour. When you are done with that, then you can wash your hair off. After washing your hair off, your hair will definitely thank you later. You will see a lot of changes with your hair. You can use this treatment once every week, or you can, if your hair is super dry and damaged, then you can actually use it twice a week. Your hair would definitely thank you for it. Okay, so I hope this video was actually helpful to you. If it was, please do not forget to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you have further questions, please kindly drop them in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will not miss any of my videos. Okay, until another time when I will come your way, my name is Heidi Francis. Bye.